Yo, what's up, dudes? I accidentally ended my recording last time, but basically, we're doing a speed run to see who could get the tier 3 workbench first, and whoever does gets like 800 robux. Real moment. Okay.
This guy keeps stealing all my iron. I can't get a single iron ore. This guy
Okay.
is so annoying.
Okay. I already have my tier 1 workbench. Let's go. That was so epic. Wait,
This
what?
man is
What? What?
angry
Whoa! No, my mouse is not working. What the heck? No! This is the doomsday. This is doomsday day. What the heck? No, 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 no. Oh, oh, okay. Phew. Okay, nice. Wait, what? Why am I invisible? Guys, why am I invisible? Emerson.
invisible.
Yeah, you.
Wait, what?
Yeah, my axe. I just see my axe floating.
I'm confused. You can sneak into people's bases.
Yes,
Steal their stuff.
and fart on them.
Wait a minute. What?
Wait a minute. Okay.
Tier 2 workbench?
Wait, you got tier 2 workbench?
I'm joking.
Okay, I'm gonna get the campfire. Okay.
Wait, what do you do with a campfire?
You smelt things with it. Duh. What do you think you do?
I
Okay.
didn't know you could do that.
You know there's 800 Robux on the line, remember?
Yes, I do.
I'm just like epic speedrunner. And Emerson's a total beginner. But we'll just call him Big Cow. Emerson, are you still there?
Yes, I'm always here.
Okay. That's just sus, but okay. Only one iron? What the heck?
Oh gosh.
Okay, let's just put wood inside. I think I need to reset my character. Wait, what? What the heck? Why am I still invisible, everyone? This is kind of sus, not gonna lie. It's just like Among Us.
Wait a minute. I don't have any, coal.
Coal?
Yes, I don't. Oh god, no, another island.
Wait, did you make tier work 1? The work thing, yeah. My bad, I'm glitching out. Okay, so you need to get the coal and smelt it in a furnace thing. I mean campfire. Okay?
Wait, get what?
You need to get coal and smelt it in the campfire thing.
Yeah. So do I need to go back to the hub?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I already craft stone pickaxe. Nice.
Same.
Wait. We're doing the same stuff at the same time. What the heck? This is creepy. Okay. Let's see what it takes to make a stone axe. Oh, that's a lot of coal. I mean stone. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm just like lagging or something. IRL.
Lagging in real life.
Yes, that doesn't make sense, but okay. It used to be so awkward in my videos at one time.
Epic.
Yes. But not epic.
Wait, if you like get like tier 3 workbench in one world, can you like pick it up and take it to another
No, you
world?
can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Oh,
Okay.
that's sad.
But Emerson, how are we gonna give the Robux once it's done?
I don't know. Magic.
Yes. Wait, we give each other the Robux redeem card things. Emerson?
Yes.
Yes, we give the Robux redeem card things. Okay. How am I invisible? What the heck? This is epic.
You have hacks on.
No. No cap. Fact. Okay, I need to feed my cow. I need to feed the big cow. It's more like the skinny cow because I haven't even fed him yet. Okay. Well, I Minecraft so much faster now. Let's go. Okay. Yes, iron, let's go. Let's see what we can make. Okay, I need a lot of iron in order to make tier 2.
Wait, how much iron ore do you need?
I mean iron, real iron. You need 50 to make tier 2. And you need 400 to make tier 3. Luckily for me, I'm an epic grinder. Emerson, are you making a video too?
No.
Oh, that's sad. You quit YouTubing like 5 years ago. That's sad. Wait, did you just leave and rejoin? Why?
Hmm?
Why did you leave and rejoin, Emerson?
I didn't.
It just said the big cow joined the game. Like, what?
I was in the hub.
Oh, okay,
I was
okay.
hacking.
Oh
I
no.
was turning on my hacks.
Hacker moment. Oh noes. Okay, let's see how the... Bro, why are all the cows that I own lazy? What the heck? Whoa, but it has super high stats. Like, what the heck? I'm super lucky. Emerson?
Yes.
Okay, you're still there. Nice.
I'm always here.
Of course. Of course. Why does it take so long? Oh my god.
Why would you think otherwise?
Good point, Emerson.
How much do totem cost?
They cost 2,000 for the stone totem.
What
And
about
3,000. Wait, maybe like 5,000? I forgot. Do do do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna just save up all the collagens that I can and sell them when the Halloween event ends.
well, that's a smart idea.
Yes, big brain moment. Okay. Emerson,
Yes.
how much subscribers did you have before quitting YouTubing?
I don't know, like 20?
Ah,
I don't know.
I'm just so excited that I got 30 subscribers, and then I see my friend, he's got twice as much as me.
Ooh.
My friend. He's a real coder. He does real coding. And he made one of the worst videos of history. Emerson, do you want to know what it is?
Sure.
Kirby eats a lemon and dies.
Oh.
That's sad.
That
I
is
can't
really
believe
sad.
my friend did that. I can't believe he made that kind of video. Emerson, what are you doing right now?
I'm smelting stuff.
Same.
Smelting 50 iron ingots.
Cool.
How many do you have?
I still only have 5 because I'm trying to get furnace. Bro,
I
stop
have 1 million.
Nice.
Yes, 1 trillion times 8 million with another 5.
You're lying, right?
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yes.
98.
Speak English, please.
Oh yay, 98 monies.
98 monies.
Yes.
Let's see how much monies I get.
Can't even buy one.
Wheat seed. Haha, noob. Okay. Wait, who's following me? Painting?
Million, trillion.
Because it's a good painting. Gouda. Okay, let's see how much this sells for. 112 coins? Well, I have enough to buy another wheat seed. Nice.
1 wheat seed.
Yeah, just one. I'm poor. I know. Well, at least I got better skill than you. And just
Oh
like,
yeah. Well, I don't know.
yes.
Cool stuff.
Yes, I'm hot stuff. Wait, what did I just say? I hope someone subscribes. Oh, by the way, why did I forget this? Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell, or else you'll have bad luck, and you'll be a social reject, and your life will be meaningless, and you'll have no job, and everyone would hate you, and okay, I'll stop. Emerson?
Oh my.
I know. That's the ultimate punishment. Okay, nice. Gonna keep smelting. Yeah, we got another thing.
I think I have too much coal.
Same.
I
Trying to
have
get.
45.
I'm gonna give some to Emerson for Christmas.
Oh.
Isn't that epic?
I have 20 iron ore.
Oh yes, I'm not invisible anymore. Let's go. I can see my epic penguin body. Okay. 15 new
This
letters.
guy's trying to mine it with an axe. I almost feel bad.
Bruh. He is so trash.
Oh my gosh, why is my watch beeping? My watch hates
Beep 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 beep. It's blowing its tongue at you.
What do
What?
you mean? What do you mean 10 minutes?
Wait, what? Is your brother deciding how much you spend this time on the YouTube video? What the heck?
I don't know.
Emerson, do you want some grass?
Oh,
No?
yeah.
I'll give you 100.
100?
Yeah. The block
Grass?
grass. Yeah, the block grass.
100? Why?
I don't know, why not?
No, thank you.
How dare you? Grass is epic.
Or is it?
Emerson, just come to my island and I'll give you the grass.
No, it's a trick. It's a lie.
No, real. I'll give you
You're gonna waste
I'll
my
give you
time.
so much grass that your inventory will be so full of it.
Your inventory can't fill up in this game, right?
Well, yeah, true. Okay, I got 9 iron. Almost there. Let's go. Okay, let's pet my cow. Wait, no, I can't pet my cow.
You need 50 iron? I don't think I have 50 iron. I only have...
You're epic funny. Looking. Haha, funny. You're epic funny looking.
Nice.
Okay. Do you dare me to mine the block under me?
Sure.
Oop, already did it.
Go for it.
Okay.
What's something that'll help? A funny... Oh, I can make more of these.
Okay, I got the small furnace. Emerson, do you have a furnace yet?
Almost.
Well, I already got one. Haha.
Oh, I have like 8 million campfires.
8 million campfires? Why?
So I can get good.
Haha, noob. Okay, let's get some more wheat. Okay, nice. Emerson, I'm gonna make an epic funny animation on Scratch. I'm gonna share it with YouTube. Emerson?
Yes.
Okay, you're still there. Good. Okay. Come on, or just smelt already. Like you're taking so long.
It's mine.
No, it's mine. Emerson, do you have a furnace yet?
Almost.
Bruh, only almost. I almost have enough to craft another. Lol. Well, I'm gonna go get some more ore from the hub. Okay.
Sure. Barrett, can you give me a workbench?
No, don't. That won't count. That won't count at all.
Can I give him build permissions?
No. No.
Okay,
No.
Barrett, I can't. I cannot. I cannot.
No, don't listen to him,
Yes.
Emerson.
Yes.
He is the sus imposter from Among Us. He's gonna kill you.
Oh God! I blew up my island. No.
I told you. Okay. Let's go mine them ore. I need to get some iron or else. Yeah. Get it? I'm just stealing this person's iron. I'm being epic funny annoying person.
Pool.
Yes, cool like a pool. Okay. And we're gonna do another insane challenge after this. The first person to get an industrial smelter without buying it will win another $10 worth of Robux. It's gonna be super hard though. Okay. Let's go back to the hub. I mean my home. Okay. Wait, no, I need to mine this coal. Yes, I got the coal just in time. Nice.
I have two smelters now.
You have 2 small furnaces?
Yes.
You're beating me. I am sad. You made the Great Penguin Gamer sad.
Yay.
How dare you? No one likes you now. Okay.
Yay.
What is wrong with you?
Yay.
Okay. Never mind the autistic kid, everyone. Stay back. Okay. F and F reference moment. Okay. Okay. My cow is epic. Why do I keep having voice cracks? Okay, please hurry up. I need to beat Emerson. Come on, Furnace. Please. $10 worth of Robux is on the line. Bruh. I hate you.
I have like 25 iron.
Like iron? What's like iron? Me very confused. Please explain. My brain is crashing. My brain is crashing. Please explain. Cannot compute. Error.
This girl gives me free stuff.
No! Please, no. Don't accept. That's gonna cheat. See? I already have 2 small furnaces without cheating. Well, all my trees just grew at the same time. Okay, nice. Emerson, are you still there?
Yes.
Nice.
I got a flute.
A flute?
Yeah.
Oh, are you talking about Melody?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Those do nothing. I don't know why people spend 400 Robux just to get some funny instruments. Silence for the first time. Okay. Okay. Nice, I could craft 3 of these now. If you think I'm better than the big cows, say it in the comments below. Also, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later. I definitely did not take that from Dream, guys. Haha. Okay. Asia also subscribed to Dream. He's a good banana. Okay. Let's buy some seds from Cletus. Cletus. Lettuce. Why doesn't he sell lettuce seeds if his name rhymes with lettuce? Cletus. Cletus, yes. Yes. That makes absolutely no sense at all.
I almost have enough.
For tier 2? Oh no.
But yes.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. No. I got a speedrun, guys. I gotta go on epic gaming speedrun mode. Okay. Okay. I'm just basically mining all the iron that I can see. There's a lot of games that are good like Minecraft, but the problem is there's no creative mode on them. That's just where I realized when I was playing Forger. Emerson.
I'm the best at Forger.
I know. But what if there was like a creative mode on Forger or something?
That'd be cool.
Yes. I'd just get the best item and just beat the game in an instant. Okay. I need to get a lot of iron. Dang, this takes so long. Hey, after this, Emerson, do you want to play some Bed Wars? And do another 1v1? By the way, guys, I just beat Emerson while he had diamond armor.
Shh.
And if you want to 1v1 me, say it in the comments below. Because I'm really good at Bed Wars. But sometimes I rage and smash my PC. But it's okay. My dad always buys me more. Right, Dad? Yeah, he doesn't respond. Okay.
What's a fun thing that I can make? A gun. Oh.
Yes. What? Okay. Let's go back to home.
Wait, this person will give me free stuff.
No, wait. Are you talking about NPC or...
I don't know. They
I hope Arias comes to my island so he could give me free Totem.
they say they'll give me $100,000.
Wait, are you talking about a real player?
No, I'm joking.
Oh, okay. Good. Seriously, how
Wait.
come no one's at my island yet? What the heck? Am I that much of a noob? Ooh, yes, an extra. Nice.
PCs actually enjoy coming to your...
I really want a new gaming PC. It would help so much. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boop, boop, bow, meow. Okay.
My ears.
What about your ears? Explain, please. I'm gonna eat some lemon. I gotta water lemon to keep me in shape. But it's taking so long to smell. Okay, let's see what I could craft. Small storage container. Okay, nice.
Oh, I'm so close.
To tier 2? Oh
Yeah.
no.
I'm literally so close. I can taste it.
You could taste tier 2 workbench. It's kind of disgusting,
I'm
man.
literally at like 49.
Oh god. Oh god. I need to go on gas mode.
I'm gonna play my instruments while I wait.
God. I'm gonna do the monkey while I wait.
Same. My music.
Hey, you copy me.
I didn't. I was joking. I'm not gonna do that.
You made the great Pikmin gamer mad. Sad and mad. What's that? Schmad. Schmad, nice.
I'm literally crafted it. Let's go. Who's that?
Oh no, what was in that? Okay, I got 25 iron.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah! Vector moment.
Tier workbench 2. Let's go.
Okay.
Kapow.
Did you know you could smelt grass? Try it.
Really?
Yeah, try it. You can actually do it.
You can smoke grass?
Yes.
I can make a coal block. Wait, I can make 5 diamond blocks? Epic.
You can make 5 diamond blocks? What the heck? How? 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 You are... I'm only level 8 in foraging, and I already have enough to get an industrial... Already a high enough level
Hey,
to
some guy
be
came to my
making an
house.
industrial
Big
smelter.
reward.
What? Already? Bruh!
Iron totem?
No!
That's cheating.
No, it's not cheating, which makes me so mad. Well, I'm about to craft one too. Heh boy.
Yeah, an iron totem. Some this guy over here.
Yes, the funny man. Okay, workbench tier 2 acquired.
I already had that like 10 minutes ago.
No, you didn't. You only had like 30 seconds ago. Stop lying,
What's
little
that
man.
noise?
I don't know. What is that noise? No, I don't hear you. I can't hear what you're
It's like,
hearing.
whoa.
Bro. Hey, look, he's at my island too. Haha. I'm on speedrunning mode. I'm
He's
serious.
running around my island,
Yes.
slurping up the cows.
Slurping up
Wait.
the cows. What?
He's eating my
What?
cow. Wait.
What?
Stop. Yes. My cows.
What the heck, Emerson? Why is he eating your cow? Like, that would make kind of sense.
I'll always remember you, Bob.
Yeah.
He was eaten by stupid frickin' this guy. You already claimed your reward.
We yard. We yard.
Bro, something sounds like it's like exploding.
Okay. That's just. Yes. Come on. Please just spawn some iron already. Okay, nice. Emerson,
Yes.
we're just one workbench away.
Yes.
I'm gonna make an epic maple wood farm.
I must win this challenge.
No, I must win this challenge. Have you gotten a net yet?
No, I
Bruh.
don't care about net.
Bruh. I already got a net.
I'm not gonna waste my time on nets.
Uh, how do you waste your time on nets? Me confused. Please explain. Cannot compute. Error, error. Cannot compute. Okay.
Fine, I'll make a
Scream
net.
Among Us 100 times challenge.
E.
Yes. Come on. Okay. I think I might get a coal totem. I don't know.
Cold totem's actually. I don't know if it's better or worse.
Yeah, it just spawns coal. What's happening in the background?
My brother is dying.
Big funny. Okay, I'm gonna get some more seds tonight. Bruh, they sell. They. Bruh.
Wait, I have this weird like I have this weird what is it? It's like this weird red block, and somebody says they're selling it for like $1 million trillion.
A million.
Joking.
Br-
Joking.
Bruh. Just stop it already, Emerson. You're ruining
Bro,
the point of this video.
how do wait, what?
Okay.
My flute harmonica has gifted me flight powers.
Flight powers? Wait, what?
I have 4 furnaces.
4 furnaces?
Yes.
What? I only have 3. I might get 5. I don't know.
5.
Yes. The
I already
speed
have
has you.
100 iron.
What? How? Okay, you're definitely gonna beat the challenge. Bruh.
What else do you need to make it?
You need maple wood.
Oh.
You don't even know how to get that, do you?
Hey, how do you get maple wood?
Nope, I'm not telling you.
Oh, you gotta get a maple tree. Where do you get that, man? $10,000.
Yeah, it costs $10,000. So yeah, you need to farm a lot. It costs 10,000 coins, Emerson. Just face the truth. You're not gonna get
Ooh.
tier 3 workbench.
Ooh. Wait a minute.
Hold up, wait a minute.
What does this do?
Oh no.
Why is it like giving me money?
Hello, I like money.
It's a dog. It's giving
What
me
the dog do? Wait, a dog is giving you money? Wait, what?
Dang, I like this dog.
Wait, you're joking, right? You're joking. There's no way a dog is giving you money. They don't even exist in this game.
Bro, I'm getting like so
It's gonna
rich.
take up so much storage in my computer.
I already have 10.
Like, this video has been going on for like 31 minutes.
Oh, it's gonna crash your computer.
Yes, real moment.
Wait, actually though?
Psych. It won't crash my compy. Let's go. I rickrolled you.
I want a maple tree.
You want a
Can I just
maple
like,
tree? Then get a
can
maple
they just,
tree.
can they just naturally spawn sometimes?
Well, yeah, they naturally spawn. I'm lying to them, guys. Emerson,
Okay, I'm gonna wait for one to
do you
naturally
even
spawn.
know what I'm saying right now?
No, I'm gonna wait for one to naturally spawn. JK, I know they don't naturally spawn.
She's so gullible, everyone.
$1,000.
Wait, no, no!
What?
How did you discover how to get them? Oh,
I have like
no! Haha, funny. I'm epic speedrunner.
seeds.
Wait, how did you get that much iron that fast?
I'm just really good at this game.
No, I am. Who do you think taught you how to play?
Myself.
No, me. You didn't even know how to go to other islands. Like, bruh. You got so much to catch up on. Like, do you know about the pumpkin boss?
Yeah, I go there all the time.
What level are you in combat?
I'm like,
On your main. On your main.
I don't know where it says on my.
I'm a high enough level to go to Desert Island.
Same.
Wait, what?
Ooh, I can make
How the
right
tables have
conveyor belt
turned.
and left conveyor belt.
Huh. Right, do you have crystallized iron yet?
Yeah. I don't even know what that is.
Okay, you made me sad.
Everyone shall skip over this part.
Yes, just skip me.
Oh, I have to go.
You have to go, Emerson? Haha, yes.
I shall be back. I shall be back. You're not allowed to play.
Oh, okay. Well, this is just part 1 of the epic challenge, guys. We'll see ya, guys.
Woodcutting level 80.
Emerson, leave the call. Leave the call. Leave the call.
Okay.
Leave the call. Okay.
Okay, I'm going. I'm going.
Okay.
I'm going. I don't know what. Okay, there we go. Bye.
Bye. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell, and yeah, just subscribe. It's the most you can do for me, guys. And please tell this channel to your friends. And oh, by the way, guys, you don't know this, but I'm gonna work while he's AFK. See ya, guys.